Hello friends, welcome to my channel MS Creator Craft, and today we will make some other types of paper gliders. So let's start. And first one, this is the cylinder paraglider, and second we go with this different type of glider. We can make it like this, and our second glider we will make some wings and attach to this glider, and this is ready. Third one, we will make it like rectangular ship glider, and this is also completed. Next we will make a big cuboid paraglider, and this is almost ready. Okay, and we will cut it because it's very large, it can't fly, and this is ready. We have make 4 paraglider. Okay, and now we will try this. This is very awesome, and we have 5 gliders, and we will test, and it's ready to fly. So nice. Next, oh, it looks very pretty. Next, this is it's better, and this is the best from all of the paragliders, and we will fly it again. Oh, you can see it's gliding very nicely, and we will try every once again. This is so nice, and the testing is looking very pretty. Please like the video if you want to watch more videos like this, and so subscribe. And the final testing is now ready. We will fly every one by one. First we will fly this smallest glider, and you will see it's fly like magic. It glides like a magic. Oh wow, so nice, very smoothly gliding. After this we will try another glider, and we will try this cuboid glider, and let's go. Okay, let's go down. And next we have the cylinder shape glider, and it's ready to glide. That's so nice, and it goes to flowers of mustard. Next we have the biggest glider of paper, and we will fly this. Okay, we will fold its corners so it can fly smoothly, and it's go. Oh, it looks so nice. And the last, that is very beautiful, and here we go, and it's gliding. You can see it's looking so good. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.